Negative 4 and positive 6. Negative 4. So first we will straight make a jump to negative 4. Here, exactly like what there is over here. Now positive 6 means we have to move towards the right or left. We have to move towards the right. How many steps? 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our answer is positive 2. Welcome back. Today we are going to revise addition of integers on a number line, after which you have to give a small test and write the answers in the comment section. Okay, let us straight jump to the first one. I want you to follow 3 steps for addition of integers, just 3 steps. The very first thing is place your pen on 0 first whenever there is addition of integers. So there has to be a plus sign in between the two integers for you to follow these steps. From 0. Now remember one thing. If the integer is positive, move towards the right. If the integer is negative, move towards the left. Now let's see what I mean by that. I'm placing it here. The very first sum is here. Positive 4, positive 2. So from here, first I will straight jump to positive 4. Show the direction that where you have jumped. After that, this is 2 more steps I have to take again to the right because it is a plus sign. 1, 2. So my answer is positive 6. So plus 6 is the final answer. So let me just show you the arrows, how you're supposed to place it if at all the teacher asks you. First is up to 4, right side we jumped, and again we jumped 2 more steps towards the right because it is positive 2. Look at the next one. Plus 5 minus 3. Okay, we start from 0. From 0 we directly make a jump to positive 5. Okay, we will put a right side arrow. Then it is negative 3. For negative we jump towards the left. But how many steps? 1, 2, 3. Your answer is positive 2. So when you look at negative 3, don't try to look at negative 3 over here. No, that we do only in the very first step for this. For this we directly jump to that particular integer which is given. Over here we have to look how many steps we have to move towards the right or the left depending on whether this is positive or negative. So over here plus 5, okay, and then negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, you move towards the left, so show your arrow also. Where have you come to? Positive 2. The third one. Negative 4 and positive 6. Negative 4. So first we will straight make a jump to negative 4. Here, exactly like what there is over here. Now positive 6 means we have to move towards the right or left. We have to move towards the right. How many steps? 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And our answer is positive 2. Is it clear, guys? I'll give you more examples now quickly without showing you with the pointer. Negative 3 and negative 2. Okay, negative 3. Straight away jump to negative 3. Negative 3, I've made a jump towards the left. And negative 2 means again move towards the left because it is negative. How many steps? 2 steps because it is 2 over here. Where have we arrived at? Negative 5 is the answer to this one. Next one is 0. We already start from 0. Okay, so we are here. And negative 3 plus negative 3. Okay. Final answer is negative 3. Okay, just 3 more. Plus 7 minus 7. Come on, guys, think. Plus 7 means which side should I jump first? Straight away go to plus 7. Show your arrow. And then come back 7 steps. Why come back? Because it's negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we arrive at 0. So show that you have moved backwards. -6 and +2. -6. Straight jump to -6. Okay. -6. +2. So 2 steps towards the right from here. 1, 2. -4 is the answer. In the last one, okay, before you get to practice on your own, I mean, you have to do it on your own and show it to me. First is, okay, +3 from 0. From 0, +3 means you're direct. And -5. Okay, so how many steps backwards? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is -2. Okay, if at all you feel that you need one more revision before you attempt the test, just look at a couple of sums before you attempt the test, okay? I'm putting up the questions now. There you go. Pause your video, try these answers, straight away write your answers in the comment section, because I know you're not going to sit and draw number lines like this in your book. That's not what you're going to do, right? So just the answers, like question 1, the answer is this, question 2, the answer is this. Let me see how many of you all get all correct. That's all for now. I'm going to bring up subtraction of integers very soon on a number line. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.